Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we'll learn how to make spicy crayfish. Spicy crayfish is a very popular food in China, Hunan. I think the spice measure is a perfect match for crayfish. Let's start. We should use 500 gram fresh crayfish for this food. Before cleaning it, we should use our hands to pinch the claw of a crayfish. Then we should use the toothbrush to brush the crayfish inside and out more than 6 times. Next, we should separate crayfish. Firstly, screw off the heads of the crayfish and place them in separate bowls. Then hold the middle tail of crayfish and turn it around at the wing. After that, separate the yellow crayfish paste from the head. Finally, discard the long heads of crayfish. Next, we should prepare other ingredients for this food. Firstly, finely shred half onion for this food and save them for later. Then cut one leek into small pieces and save them for later. Finally, mince 5 slices of ginger and save them for later. Finally, mince 70 and 5 grams hot pot condiments and save them for later. Now we should fry crayfish. Use the bigger fire to heat the pan. Add 450 ml cold oil into the pan. Heat oil hot enough. We provide a method to help you to judge the temperature. Put one small piece of onion into the pan. If it fries quickly, that means the pan hot enough. Then pour the crayfish into the pan. Fry them until tail of the crayfish turn a bit with camber. It will take about 3 minutes. Then drain and save them for later. After that, we can fry spicy fish. Firstly, add 40 ml cold oil into the pan. Use the bigger fire to heat it. Then add ginger, onion into the pan. Use the middle fire to heat and stir fry them for 2 minutes. Then remove the ginger and onion to discard. Use the bigger fire to heat the rest of oil on the pan. Add 5 grams green Sichuan peppercorns, 15 grams dried red pepper, hot pot condiments into the pan. Stir fry until hot pot condiments are melted. Add the yellow crayfish paste into the pan. Stir fry until cooked. Add 300 ml beer, 100 ml water into the pan. Use the bigger fire to boil it. After the sauce was boiled, add the fried crayfish into the pan. Then use the soft fire to heat it. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon light soy sauce into the pan. Stir them evenly. Then use the soft fire to cook it for 10 minutes. Next, we should mix water starch, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 25 ml water into the bowl. Stir them evenly and save for later. After 10 minutes, add the water starch into the pan. Then use the bigger fire to heat the pan and stir fry them evenly. Add leeks into the pan. Stir them evenly. Add 1 teaspoon cold oil into the pan. Stir them evenly. Then we got the delicious and appetizing spicy crayfish. The Chinese spicy crayfish is fun of spicy and delicious taste. Although it needs more time to cook, we think it's worthwhile. Furthermore, crayfish is a perfect match for beer. We recommend you eat it and drink some beer. Hope you can try it at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe to us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.